Tutorial, CLP Smart and SKF eLube app, time-controlled mode. The tutorial refers to the instructions of use for the SKF eLube app. This tutorial will introduce you to the details of the time-controlled mode. You will learn how to set the mode and edit the settings, and how to monitor the pump and trigger an additional lubrication cycle. What is the time-controlled mode? In time-controlled mode, the pump switches continuously between the set lubrication time and the set pause time. When cycle switch monitoring is activated, the pump requires one signal from the cycle switch per lubrication cycle. How to set and edit the time-controlled mode. Tap on the gear icon to edit the current pump settings. To change the pump settings, tap on Edit. By tapping on the mode, you can choose the working mode of the pump. Confirm by tapping OK. Set the lubrication time by tapping on Time. Confirm your settings with OK. Set the pause time and confirm with OK. Enable or disable piston monitoring. To choose the number of working cycles after a low-level warning, tap on the button, choose the number and confirm with OK. To apply the setting, press Apply. Uploading and applying settings requires password authentication. Enter your individual pump password. The pump now operates in time-controlled mode. The actual lubrication or pause time and the number of signals are indicated. You can trigger an additional lubrication cycle by tapping on the drop icon. This action requires password authorization. Enter your individual pump password. An additional lubrication cycle is running. Read the manual for more information.